Right, okay, good evening. This is just a quick selfie type video. It's a workbench video, and after seeing Doug Moslak's video, he suggested I do one. So as I haven't updated my own video for a while, my own bench video, we'll give you a little tour of the workshop. So if we start directly behind me, let me just turn the camera around. Okay, as you see, this is the editing position where I do all of my work, and it's also where the ham radio kit is. Yeah, there's the amplifier, the ATUs down there, and the ham sets down there by the keyboard, along with the power supply. Yep, there are two monitors on the PC, so it just trying to keep it in focus here. So yeah, that's what we got over here, over this side of things, as well as vast amounts of other stuff on the shelves. This is a complete set of workshop books. In the US, I believe you have the Sam's books. Well, this is the UK equivalent. This is the radio and television servicing set. It's not complete. I've only got books up to 1962. So you know, that actually covers from around 1940 odd to 1962, and pretty much all UK models of radio and TV. Yep, in the corner there we have again some more handhelds. Shure highball mic. We go up there, yeah, you know, that's a 4-meter radio, 70 megs, some transformers and bits and pieces. That's the audio system. Let's come round here. Yeah, that's some wiring mess. That's the top of the mixer, where most of the audio is played around with for some parts of my videos, not for most of them. I actually record directly onto a separate recorder. I'm currently using the inbuilt camera mic, so it's probably going to sound abysmal. And as we get closer to over here, you can see that the light is getting brighter as I go towards the bench. That's all my component storage. And yeah, we go over to the shelf with the cleaning, more components, more components, more components, more cables, more storage. We go around my trusty analog voltmeter, stands, power supplies, projects, boxes of projects, boxes and boxes, my normal sign. There we go. On the top shelf we've got a step up, step down transformer. It's not an isolation transformer, so you know, it's just there literally to take 240 mains and give me either 240 out or 110 out, depending on what I plug into it. Moving across, and yeah, I'm getting a hell of a lot of lens flare underneath the bottom of here and across the top. There's no real way to calm this down at the moment. That's my Marconi test set, which does RF generation, audio generation, receive testing, signal to noise. It's a be all and end all piece of kit. And then next to that we have the Hewlett Packard 100 meg digital storage scope, and that just, well, that's my scope. I do have some more test equipment in the attic, but yeah, that's just another story. And then we go down to the workbench itself, which this camera absolutely hates at the moment. I might have to turn the f-stop down a bit. Okay, I'm just going to restart again at this point. So yeah, we've come down a stop on this camera, but it still hates the amount of light from this without going into manual mode. So what have we got on the bench? Well, there's the black and white laser printer underneath there. There's a lot of inbound stuff, a lot of salvage stuff, and some of my tools down there. We got Piggy, and he says hello. What else have we got? Yeah, right, okay, that's the side angle camera that I'm using, and here is the bench top. You can see straight into the Panasonic that's a standard def camera that's straight in front of me on my more recent videos. And if we look up towards the top of the bench, where the tubes are, that there is a Canon video camera which is connected up pointing down. So yeah, that's that part of the bench. That box is something that's arrived from China today. The 2 glass bottles are for another project. Yeah, soldering station, power supplies, a Xerox DVM. In the corner we have a little monitor there for monitoring the cameras where I can't see the screen. Some mains. There's another microphone with the audio recorder. Hopefully this is picking me up okay, but we'll wait and see what it sounds like. And if I come back a bit, there's the main microphone that I use for recording. Probably come around this side, you can see it better. And yes, it is a Rode, it's an NT1. And then we go over back over there, projects, colour laser printer, speakers, gaffer tape in vastly lurid colours, more cable, paint, solvents, cleaning things, and yeah, sorry about the flypaper, but it's hot round here at the moment. There's an Echo that I've got to work on. There's another one of my projects, that's a John L. Underneath that I believe it's a Grundig. So if I come back round and turn round here, we'll go down the bottom, you'll see that I've got another monitor tucked in at the back there, which is actually the server for the home network. There's a Murphy set, and below that there's an HMV set. Both of those are early to mid 50s, so they're ready to work on. This one on my work chair is actually my dad's Hungarian Orion set, and it's been in our garage as his garage radio for years, and it needs some work doing on it, so as the dutiful son you end up saying, yep, okay Dad, I'll do the work for you, and then sometimes thinking I've got so many other things that I don't really want to do that, but hey, you got to do it. And yeah, back round to the PC we go. So that's the quick bench tour. Hopefully it won't look too awful. Let me transfer it over to the PC and we'll see what it's like. And yes, that is the time, and it is correct, and it is that time in the morning. You know, in the UK we're on GMT +1 at the moment for British summertime. So thanks very much for watching, and hopefully Doug, you'll enjoy this one. Thanks very much. See you later.